Hello guys! Thank you guys for subscribing my YouTube channel. I have 93 subscribers. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it guys. And guys, leave a comments what should I make my next video. Thank you Tatay for sponsoring this chair and thank you Nani for sponsoring this curtain. You Tatay, Nana, you're the best, okay? And guys, our vlog today, I'm gonna talk Filipino, Jenny will talk English. So, when like this, water, tubig. So, it's complete. Okay? Okay, now you get the rules? Isa. First word.
Spoon.
Spoon. First word, spoon. Ulit. Spoon. What's Filipino spoon?
3 hours later.
Kutsara.
Louder.
Kutsara!
Correct. Word number 2. Plate.
Wait. Oh, no. Wait. Pichil?
2 hours later. Incorrect.
What?
Incorrect.
Pichil. What's pichil?
Plate is plato.
What?
Word 3.
Puno.
Very good. Correct. Word.
Fourth word. Oh.
Shoes.
Sapatos!
Oh.
Leo!
Very
Na!
good.
Abana una na! Say boy!
Next word. Fork. It's together with the spoon.
And then
What's the Tagalog of fork?
Pichil?
Toot.
Toot! Come on! That's the hardest one ever from the English
Fork
word.
is tinidor.
What? Tinidor! That was so easy! Okay.
Okay?
I was one time Filipino boy, now I'm English.
Okay, next word. Books.
Libro?
Yes.
Leo! Yeah! Abana una na! Yeah, boy!
Next word. Next word. Glass.
Oh, nalito na daw.
It's the one where you put water.
Oh. Pichil!
No.
What?
No.
Start.
B.
B.
B. Where you drink water.
Bulan. Bulan.
Ay,
Bulan. What? What's answer?
that's the letter B. Baso.
Baso!
Yeah, you're incorrect.
What?
Okay.
Baso!
Correct. Next word. Bird. What's the Tagalog of bird? 5 hours later. My
Ibon! Finally, I know the answer now.
What? Again?
Ibon!
Next word. Lizard.
Sorry.
Starts with letter B.
Me?
10 hours later.
Oh. No. Baboy?
Tiki.
Butiki! What? Butiki!
Okay, next word.
Why? Oh.
Chicken.
Manok!
Very good.
Yeah! This is what you get, girls!
Yay. Okay.
Boys win, girls rule.
Okay. Let's see. Until the end. Watch it, guys. Subscribe to Ivan Time 2 channel on
And
YouTube.
like too, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And guys, tell me in the comments below what should I do in my next video, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, and today we're going to do a short sentence where I'm going to say it in English and you're going to translate it in Tagalog.
Oh no!
First sentence. What is your name?
Anong pangalan mo po?
Oh, very
Leo!
The second word. Where do you live? Where do you live?
Ay, saan ka nagtitira? Saan ka nagtitira?
Saan ka nakatira?
Yes, that's the answer.
Yeah, you almost got it right.
Your score is 0.5.
Oh no!
Wait, that's quite
Next question.
Oh.
How old are you? How old are you?
Ay, ilang taon ka? Ilang taon ka na?
Very good.
Very good.
Oh, this is so
Next
easy.
sentence. Where are you from?
No,
Where are you from?
this is so easy.
What country do you live?
Where are you from?
We live in Marinas, Philippines. Great, I forgot about that.
What is the color of your shirt? What is the color of your shirt?
Anong kulay ng damit mo?
Very good.
My color of my shirt is,
What is your favorite TV show?
TV show. Favorite TV show was Power Players.
What is your favorite TV show? Ten years later.
10 years later.
Oh, bro. This is so long. I didn't know that.
What's in your head? What's in your mind? What's in your thoughts?
This is 5 years later.
Oh.
Ang gusto mo television. That's why I answered them.
Incorrect.
What?
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is banana, apple.
Translated in Tagalog.
Oh.
What is your favorite fruit?
What's Tagalog of banana?
I didn't know.
Huh?
Manzana?
Um.
Manzanas?
For?
Or apple?
How about banana?
I don't know.
Start with letter S.
Manzanas?
Huh? Start with letter S.
Okay. Anong gustong... What's... Oh, come on, bro.
Banana.
What? What? Saging.
What?
Saging!
Do you like to exercise?
Yes. Gusto mo bang mag-exercise?
Okay.
Always
Baby.
drink your water.
Mag-inom ka ng tubig.
Always drink your water.
Palagi nang inom mo ng tubig.
Very good.
Yeah! Good baby. You're my lucky baby forever.
Go.
Next sentence. Sleep at the afternoon.
Matulog ka sa afternoon.
What's the afternoon?
Wanwa.
What's Tagalog of afternoon?
Oh, bro. Yun ang malaki now. Kasapon. Paano na know that? You're not my lucky now. Goodbye. Goodbye, Edward.
Can you lend me some money?
Kailangan ng pera.
Can you lend me some money?
Ikaw, you can let me some money. That's wrong. Oh. Ikaw, na,
20 years later.
pwede pera mo ako ng pera.
Pwede mo ba akong pahiramin ng pera?
Pwede mo ba